made this for me.
I wonder what he's thinking. The guy that's next to me, that's doing Eric's run. What the fuck are they doing?
Yeah. Man, I went through all of them down there. I don't know. He looked at me strange and got whatever he got out of that truck. You know. Like I was stealing shit.
You know what? Just take Ursula.
You know, Ursula's who I'm supposed to be taking.
Really? Fuck that.
But he doesn't know that this one, I've been driving this one. Apparently, you know.
Here you go.
Yay! Now I can put some shit in there. Ah! All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.